Alright, Rebels, big time problem here. Little initial value problem. It's got the physics look to it, right? So acceleration is 2 sine t plus 4 cosine t. The velocity of the particle at time 0 is 1. And the initial position of the particle at time 0 is 0. Alright, so let's see what's happening here. Given acceleration, you can integrate, find the antiderivative of that to get the velocity. Alright, so that means, let's write this down here, v of t, the velocity with respect to time, will be the antiderivative of the acceleration. So what's the antiderivative of 2 times sine t? It's negative 2 cosine t. Antiderivative of 4 cosine t is 4 sine t. Alright, and then you need your plus c. So there's your velocity. Alright, now what about your initial position? S of t, we use S for position of this particle, and we'll take the antiderivative. Negative 2 cosine t, that'll transform into negative 2 sine t. 4 sine t, that'll change itself, right? That'll change into let's get this right here, minus 4 cosine t. What's the antiderivative of c? Well, a constant, right? That'd be c times x. But now we went up one more antiderivative, so we need another constant. I'll use d, let's say. Alright, so there's your equations. Now we've got to actually just figure out what c and d are, and then we're done. Alright, now to figure out c, you might use your velocity equation. You're going to plug 0 in for all the t's, right? Because it says v of 0 in the problem here. So you got to use your little unit circle. Cosine of 0 is 1. Sine of 0 is 0. So what we get here is negative 2 times 1. So negative 2, right, plus c is going to give you the velocity. And what do they say the velocity is? They say it's 1. Alright, let's keep going here now. Now we can find the value of c, right? So the value of c would be 3. Alright. We still need to find the value of d. So now where's d? D is in our position function. So we're going to have to use the position function. They tell us the position is 0 at time 0. So we're going to say 0 equals negative 2 sine of 0 minus 4 cosine of 0 plus, alright, we now know c. C is 3. So 3 times, what's x? X is 0 plus d. Alright. And sine of 0 is 0, so that term's going to be gone. 3 times 0 is 0, that term's gone. Negative 4 times cosine 0 is negative 4. So we have 0 equals negative 4 plus d. That means d is 4. The final answer to this problem is S of t, the position of this particle, is negative 2 sine t minus 4 cosine t plus 3x plus 4. Done. There it is. So look for some physics problems tomorrow on your test. Physics initial value problems. That'll be the last 3 problems on the test are going to be similar to this. And really not much different at all, right? I mean, if instead of saying a, if you just said y double prime, right? And then you ask somebody for a y, and you were giving them that y prime at 0 is 1 and y of 0 is 0. That's essentially what we're doing here.